Gen family!
So we're very thankful that today has been a great day for each and every one of us. As today is our Sports Fest, which everybody know we only do this annually.
Gen Sports Fest 2026! Mag-ingay, Lotus Mall! Pinagandaan ito ng Just Event Management Day 1 pa lang last year, 2025, kung paano yung approach na gagawin natin. Like, mapakita kung gaano na ba sila naging part or katagal sa Just Event Management.
Or number one, camaraderie. Siyempre, para lahat magkaroon ng chance to know each other because not everybody nagkakakilala sila in one event because we have multiple events. They are from multiple departments.
Gen Management!
Sa lahat ng gagawin natin, walang iiyak, walang pikon. Kailangan masaya lang. Ginawa natin to para sumayaw ang bawat isa sa inyo. Okay?
Pinaka-goal po namin na maging masaya ang Gem family for this big event, 9 years anniversary. At the same time, makilala rin namin ang family ng mga Gem employees or Gem staff.
And we're from HMUA Department.
These are the good times. I feel the good vibes. Bring it together. The more the merrier. Yeah, the more.
My name is John Dolly Conde.
Christine Reyes from Catering Department.
Yes, these are the good times. 'Cause everything is better when we get together.
Sa iwain ko, Generation Challenge 2026.
It's time to celebrate. Come on, come out and play. It's such a perfect day.
My name is Sean Gabriel Cagis. Pag luto na ang kanin, pwede mo na akong ulamin.
Away.
i-enjoy nyo lang yung araw na ito. Let's have fun. Tapos, balik tayo sa trabaho bukas. Itong araw na ito, para po sa bawat isa sa inyo. Okay? Maraming salamat. Let's have fun!
Yes, these are the good times. And we're feeling
Thank you for staying with us, for being loyal to the company. Because of you, we are continue growing. This gem is established not just for Joss and I, but for each and everyone who's working under this company.